Are you looking for a laundry product that you can use on your clothes that doesn't have the harmful effects that bleach can have on them? Looking for something that can neutralize pretty much anything that you throw at it? Well then, my friends, I may just have the product just for you. Check out my review of Lysol Laundry Sanitizer coming up next on Mumbles. Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Mumbles. Today's episode of Mumbles, I'm bringing you guys Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. Now, guys, this is 0% bleach, and it is supposed to be strong enough to neutralize pretty much any bad agent that you throw at it. Now, what do I mean by bad agents? You know, anything out there that requires you to wear a mask. I can't say the word because YouTube will get all mad. But any viruses, flu, anything that you can throw at this thing, this stuff can kill 99.9% of all bacteria and a whole bunch of things without using bleach. But is it really cracked up to what it's supposed to be? I'm about to tell you guys, but first things first, I do have some general information I want to cover about this product, so let's jump straight into that. So I do have to say, I gave this product a 5 out of 5. If you want to know why, stay tuned, because I'm going to drop a lot of knowledge on you guys. Again, we are reviewing the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer, and this can be picked up for the price of around $10.99 in the United States. And obviously, this price can vary from store to store, but when we picked it up for a price of around $10.99. Now, guys, as far as the general information goes, I'm going to read you what the description on the website says about this product. Lysol Laundry Sanitizer is specially formulated to kill 99.9% of bacteria that detergents leave behind. Product features: kill 99.9% of bacteria detergents leave behind. 0% bleach. Works even in cold water. Gentle on fabrics, including whites and colors, for standard and HE machines. When it comes to certain laundry loads such as children's clothing, bedding, towels, or sportswear, you want a detergent to eliminate bacteria that can cause illness and create lingering bad smells. But detergent and cold water don't actually kill all bacteria. Introducing Lysol Laundry Sanitizer, specially designed to sanitize your family's clothes when you need it. Fabrics. Lysol Laundry Sanitizer can be used on most fabrics, including baby clothes, towels, gym clothes, bedding, undergarments, delicates. The ingredients, there is a list of ingredients that I'm going to post here, and that is the basic information about this product. Guys, as far as the usage direction goes, for standard machines, add 2 cupfuls, each filled to line 1 of the dosing cup to the fabric softener compartment or directly to your rinse cycle wash. For HE machines, add 2 cupfuls, each filled to line 2 of the dosing cup to the fabric softener compartment or directly to your rinse cycle wash. To sanitize, add to rinse cycle and leave product in rinse cycle for 16 minutes. So guys, one thing about the directions I do want to point out, on the cap, there is little numbers here. They're really hard to see, and I really doubt my camera's picking them up right now. But there's a little 1 right here, as well as 3 bar lines. And then there is a 2 down below that with 3 bar lines also. So you can actually measure out how much you're doing to make sure you're following the directions correctly. As far as the appearance of this stuff, I don't know if you guys will be able to see this or not. As you can see, it's kind of bluish, very bluish, and it has a nice clean smell to it. So guys, the final thing I do want to cover in this section of the video is, as far as what this cannot kill, this product is supposed to kill 99.9% of bacteria. It can also kill the big problem that is in the world right now, the big sickness. I can't say the word, I'm sorry, YouTube gets mad, but you guys know what I'm talking about, the one that's got everybody on lockdown. It says 99.9%, it can kill that. It can kill influenza, it can kill a whole bunch of different things, and it is basically the alternative to using bleach in your laundry. So guys, that's all the basic information about this product. Now I'm going to tell you the cons as well as my thoughts and opinions on this product. But first, I do have to ask you guys all a huge favor. If you have not already, please do consider subscribing to my channel, ringing that little notification bell, and dropping a like on the video. Guys, I do weekly product reviews on various different things, and I do all kinds of videos all week. So if there's something you'd like to see, you know, check out my channel, please. And just know how much I appreciate all the support that you guys give. Thank you so much. Now, guys, we're going to jump back into this product with the con section. The only real con of this Lysol product is obviously there's chemicals. I showed you the ingredients. I'm going to show them again, but that's the con. If you're going to use something that has the power to kill germs, bacteria, things like that, you're going to have chemicals in it, and this indeed does have chemicals in it. So if you're looking for a chemical-free alternative, this is not it. This has some chemicals in it in order to kill that kind of stuff. So please be aware of that. But that is the only real con here to this product. So guys, now all that's up to talk about is why I gave Lysol Laundry Sanitizer a 5 out of 5 on our Mumbles review. Guys, I don't know about you, but whenever I go out these days, I find myself, when I go out and I'm thinking about all the stuff I touch and everything, I want to make sure my clothes are really, really clean. They don't have anything on them or, you know, just be rubbing up against something. It's on everyone's mind, and it's all you ever hear now is this sickness, that sickness. You got to keep clean from this. You got to keep clean from that. There's so many different things out there. And you can't use bleach on all your clothes because it will fade them. It will make marks. You just can't do it with some clothes. So guys, I've been looking around for a solution, and I've been wanting to try this product for quite some time. I finally saw it in the stores, so I grabbed it. And guys, I have been nothing but pleased with this product. Guys, it has all the power of bleach without the harmful bleach side effects. There's no staining, there's nothing. You can use it on colors, you can use it on whatever you want without having to worry about the effects of bleach. Also, the smell of this stuff. If I did this to a bottle of bleach, we'd be in some trouble. But I can literally stick my nose to this bottle, sniff, and it smells fresh, clean, and nice. It doesn't have that bleach smell. So guys, that's 2 reasons right there alone that I gave this product a 5 out of 5. But beyond that, there is also the fact that, guys, this helps clean your clothes really, really nicely. You can still put in your normal detergents if you use Nelly's or Tide or whatever it is. You can still use your normal stuff and add some of this to get out those germs and things like that. But guys, even on its own, this stuff smells fantastic. So guys, obviously, the one thing that I don't have is a laboratory to test and see, oh, is it killing 99.9% of germs? But what I can tell you is this has been certified to kill 99.9% of germs. So the government actually went to the certification process, tested it on everything, and said that it can do this. So I have no reason to doubt that claim. So guys, 5 out of 5 across the board. It's good. It works nice. It doesn't hurt your clothes. You can use it on pretty much anything. You can use your existing stuff with it. It's fantastic. If you're looking for something to help kill some germs, freshen things up, that's not bleach, check out Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. So anyways, guys, this has been my review of Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Please smack that subscribe button, smack the like button, smack all those buttons. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care.